At some point in its lifetime, every fireplace will need service of one kind or another. And if that service involves replacing a part or filing a warranty claim, you or your service professional will need to be able to provide your fireplace's make, model, and serial number. In this video, we'll show you how to find the serial number on your wood-burning fireplace. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What is a serial number? You should know the make and model of your fireplace fairly readily. After all, unless it was already in the home before you moved in, you bought it. But it's easy to overlook the importance of your serial number until it's too late. Just like every automobile has a vehicle identification number, or VIN, every hearth appliance has a serial number. It makes sense that the same car or truck model might undergo some minor changes from year to year. Well, fireplace models are no different. A serial number identifies to a manufacturer in what production facility and in what order in the production line your fireplace was made. Not only are they often helpful in tracking down the correct parts for your version of an appliance, reporting them is critical for quality control. So you or your service professional will always need to report your serial number when warranted service or replacement is involved. Where is the serial number? The serial number of any hearth appliance is located on its data tag. The tag can either be a metal plate or a sticker. These data tags may appear in any of several places depending on the model of your fireplace. On most wood-burning fireplaces, a metal data plate is riveted near the top of the screen pocket on either side of the fireplace opening. On some older models, the data plate is riveted to the smoke shelf inside the top left or top right of the firebox. In either case, you may need to move the fireplace screen curtains to view the plate. Sometimes the data plate on a wood-burning fireplace is even more concealed but still accessible. If your firebox's hearth is made of two pieces, your appliance data plate may be located underneath the front of those two panels. And some larger fireplaces use an access panel just inside the top of the firebox opening to hide the plate from view and protect it from wear. The time to locate your fireplace's data plate and serial number is now, before you need it. You never know when it'll come in handy. And if you're just getting your fireplace installed, one of the services your installer should be providing is locating and recording your model and serial number information for you. When you find the data plate, take a picture of it and write the information inside your installation manual or on the cover. For more details about locating your fireplace's crucial ID info, visit us at eFireplaceStore.com, where you can shop and continue to learn from our ever-growing library of articles, videos, and other guides. And for help finding the right replacements or verifying compatibility for your hearth appliance, our NFI Certified Specialists are just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.